Urban air mobility is the revolutionary new form of public transportation.
It's literally like taking a normal taxi that you would go in a car, but instead of it being on the ground, it's an air taxi.
I'm studying whether or not passengers will actually get on one of these vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. 10 years out from now, we're anticipating highly automated vehicles.
Transporting folks who can just call on demand an aircraft, whatever that may look like. NASA's main goal really is to look at safety and efficiency, making sure that different companies who are actually going to be designing their own vehicles and designing their own cockpits, that they can actually do it in a safe manner, and working with the FAA to make sure that that can happen.
We use physiological sensors to measure the behavior of pilots to try to understand their mental states in order to improve aviation safety.
We're going to be testing and looking into human performance in terms of being able to control displays that are so simplified that really anyone who can operate a motor vehicle would be able to operate one of these aircraft, first time sight unseen.
We measure heart rate, galvanic skin response, and respiration, and we also measure eye tracking, which tells us about eye behavior and visual attention.
We're taking concepts such as the UTM concept, which is the unmanned traffic management, and trying to apply it into the urban air mobility concept. With unmanned traffic management that's working on drones, the urban air mobility is going to be flying at higher altitudes, and it's going to actually be carrying passengers.
We're trying to think completely out of the box and come up with completely new ways of air traffic management.
Are we going to have a pilot, or are we not going to have a pilot? Are we going to have just an operator on board who's just monitoring what's going on?
NASA's being a thought leader on these concepts.
Designing a display for each concept.
Starting out with simulation studies.
Mainly the most important is keeping the airspace safe, keeping the folks who are going to be on board these safe, and the people on the ground safe. I'm very excited about the work we're doing. This is at the forefront of this technology.
It's next generation, right? It's the future.